from the East to the world. EastGlaz Group, a one-stop expert in glass deep processing solutions, is redefining the future of intelligent glass manufacturing as an innovator. With 30 years of dedication and connection with multicultural clients, we are the trusted choice of 10,000 clients worldwide. EastGlaz Group owns the 26,000 square meter Lijiang digital factory, diving in an intelligent production base focused on the three core domains: R&D and manufacturing of intelligent glass storage systems, production of insulated glass intelligent equipment, and comprehensive glass deep processing plant solutions. Leveraging proprietary core technologies, we acquire full industrial chain service capabilities, supported by 3 overseas service centers and our Malaysia subsidiary. We provide global technical support and round-the-clock service responsiveness, driving the global intelligent transformation of glass manufacturing, guided by our mission of precision engineering, serving the globe. We propel the globalization of China's modern, digital, and automated glass equipment. Every machine is born from 1,000 EastGlaz digital simulations, eliminates design deviations to deliver the whole glass production plan. We adopt international advanced panoramic simulation and digital twin technology. With the integration of AI and VR, enable clients to preemptively identify production line inefficiencies. We are not just solution providers, we are optimization experts, refining layouts and maximizing output efficiency for high-performance operations. The success management system ensures meticulous order, SOP-embed quality into every step, from millimeter precision assembly text to final inspections. EastGlaz has transformed the traditional mechanical assembly production into intelligent, digital factories. Transcending boundaries, intelligent connectivity for the future. With the power of Chinese intelligent manufacturing, EastGlaz automation empowers the global glass industry's evolution. Our passionate, proactive, and dedicated team as the vanguard of China's glass intelligence remains relentlessly focused on client demands, climbing to the top of global smart manufacturing.